Okay, here we are with Ben. 4th of July, 2016. Imminent rain is on its way. Ben is doing the watermelon rubber band challenge. How many rubber bands will it take before that watermelon explodes?
First of all, we don't know.
No, we don't know.
Because
we're just getting started here. It looks like, how many's on there right now?
Don't know.
Looks to be only maybe 8 to 10. We've got a lot of rubber bands. I think it's going to take several hundred to do it. As we get close to the explosion, then we'll have to switch to wearing his safety goggles so he doesn't get hit by flying watermelon chunks in the eyes.
Best choices with rubber.
Alright, we're back. How many packs do we have, Ben?
Two
more whole packs of rubber bands. And the Battle of the Bulge is back on. I think you might have to start going with the goggles soon, dude. Dripping water?
Yes.
Oh, that, you know what that means? Wait, let me see if I can get a good shot of that. It's, you know what that is? That's not water.
That is.
It's a tear. It's oh! You know what that is? That's not water.
That is.
It's a tear. It's oh! You know what that is? That's not water.
That is.
It's a tear. It's oh! It's a tear. Here, it's oh!
Whoa! Yeah!
Are you okay?
Yes, we did it! We did it! Oh my god! Yes! Yeah!
Not only did we do it, it exploded
in my face!
In your face!
That was amazing!
You didn't get it in your eyes, did you?
No!
Wow! Oh! Man, I can't believe it. It did that. And you know what? I was like right on top of it. I was going, I think it's crying. And what happened? And I got like this. It did, Ben. It went straight up, just like you said. Amazing. My phone is covered in watermelon juice. All right.
Well, that was great.
During the cleanup, this was shrapnel from the explosion. One big ball of rubber bands.
This is all remains of the rubber band explosion, and this, which isn't really impressive, but compared to this,
well,
it's amazing.
And the watermelon's now in the fridge, chilling to be eaten later.
Yes. Well, time for the cleanup.